So, the F2500 is one of the units in our top-of-the-range WDMX line of products. So, we try to do a few things with the product. First of all, we try to be flexible. We are the only product now today on the market that has both the ability to transmit 2 universes of DMX wirelessly using our proprietary WDMX protocol. We also function as a 2-universe receiver. This is in the same box. We can switch it to a 2-universe receiver. And we are the only product in the world that can also function as a 1-universe repeater. So if you have any radio obstacles and you want to go around corners or whatever, this box can also do that. So it's all in one, very flexible. Great for rental companies, and also great for architectural installations where you only want one type of unit to stock, one type of unit to change if you have any problems. A single unit with lots of flexibility. Secondly, our unit has the ability to both do DMX RDM input and output, and Ethernet input and output. I'll start with DMX and RDM first. You're all familiar with the transmission of DMX, but our wireless system can also transmit RDM data. So I can ask a fixture is lamp hours or whatever using RDM. Our units also respond to RDM, so you can get back any information over RDM. And our system works with any RDM controller, so any RDM controller on the market today. Not only that, but we have the ability to input Ethernet protocols, things like streaming ACN and ArtNet. We can put that into the unit if it's a transmitter. It will convert it to DMX and send it wirelessly. And then at the other end, at the receiving end, using the same box, we can either output DMX and RDM using conventional XLR cables, or we can convert it back into ACN or ArtNet and transmit that out through Ethernet. Now, we are also the first product, we believe, to have a built-in RDM and DMX controller. So not only do you have the advantages of being able to pull back information from your fixtures via RDM, but you can use that to automatically set up this DMX controller, and this DMX controller can then control your fixtures over DMX. Now it's not a very complicated controller, but it's a simple one for just simple architectural installations. And the idea behind this unit is that it's one unit that allows you to do the wireless transmission, but then you can also use it as a small standalone DMX and RDM controller to control a small installation. Now, not only that, but our product is very, very safe. As you know, most wireless products is operating on the 2.45 gigahertz range, but it's now starting to get a little bit congestion. So our product is the first in the world, which is one unit that can support both 2.45 gigahertz and 5.8 gigahertz automatically. How does it work? Well, if there is too much noise, too much interference on 2.45 gigahertz, the system automatically switches up to the 5.8 gigahertz range, which is also, of course, license-free. So the user doesn't have to worry about it, and the system will always try to find the optimal way of using the available radio space to achieve the goal. Not only that, but our system supports adaptive frequency hopping technology. So this unit is an adaptive frequency hopping unit. That means that it can dynamically avoid any radio uses on both 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz. And we have our two other technologies in this unit. The first one is data safe. Data safe is a form of forward error correction that automatically protects your data as it's being sent over the air to protect it against corruption. And InvisiWire, which is a mixture of invisible wire. And the idea behind that is that the system works just like a wire. So it preserves all the properties of your DMX data as it's sent over the wireless network, such as timing parameters and number of channels and so forth. Not only that, but our box is also very, very tough. So we're in a roadworthy steel casing, and it's available in a 19-inch rack mount. So it's great. It's great to mount in a rack, let's say. So that's our product. That's the F2500. Does anyone have any questions?
Is the product ready to ship now? Is it?
It'll be shipping in December.
And list price?
The list price sorry, I'm more in the technical, so I'm not so sure. It'll be. Let's say it'll be an affordable product. Today we ship about 30,000 units of the radio PCB that we have in our product every year. So we have a lot of volume. And for this new generation 4, which this is the top range of, our prices have come down about 20%. So it is a good and very valuable and let's say cost-effective product.
The 32 universes that you quote, presumably that's using ArtNet or something similar.
No, what
It hasn't got 32 DMX inputs on the back.
what we mean by 32 universes is each unit supports 2 universes, and you can use up to 32 of them. Up to 16 of them, so up to 32 universes in one area.
So it's not a 32 universe box.
No, it's not a 32. It's not a 32 universe device. It's a 2 universe device, but you can stack up to 16 of them.
Any other questions? No?
Good.
Done. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.